Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, and that'll help grow my channel and I will be really grateful. Thank you so much. So the hashtag that I'm following for this video comes from Martha Makes Art. Her channel is called Martha Makes Art, and she puts out themes, and this theme is love, and the hashtag for this theme is it is Make Art with Martha. That is the hashtag, and I will link that below if you want to go and check that out. And so I thought with love being the theme, I'm going to make some sort of heart-shaped, love-shaped type ephemera with some kind of recycled material. And so tea bags is not what it is, but the wrapping around the tea bags is. So this is my tea. I buy a big box because it lasts me a while. And when I open the box, each of the packaging, each of the four sort of segments that it comes in, comes with this beautiful gold paper, right? And so when you open it up, that's what you get. But I thought this has to be some kind of craft gold. Excuse the pun. You know, I had to throw that on out there. So this is craft gold, like literally. So let me put this away and I'll show you what I mean. When I take the packaging and I open it up, flatten it out, because this is just foil paper, excuse me, it tears easily. And so what I did is I just took some tape, and this is just Dollar Tree tape, guys, and I ran a strip all the way along until I had covered the whole back of my piece of packaging. That I felt would just give it a little bit of extra strength, so that when I go to craft with it, cuts things out, it would not tear as easily. Now, when I did that, it did create some of these crinkles, and at first I was mad about it. But I don't stay mad for long. And then I thought, you know, I can craft around it. It's not a problem. So what I've done already, just to give you an idea, is I went ahead and I cut out a heart. I know it doesn't look like a heart, but I promise it's a heart. So there's so much you can cut out from here, from the backings of labels, which was this over here, to a heart. I don't know if you can punch with your punches through here. I haven't tried, but if you guys try, let me know if it works. But I've already gone ahead and crafted with my little heart shape, because that's my love theme for Martha's prompt. But of course, like I said, so many flowers, hearts, squares, just strips for collaging. Any of that was going to be perfect. And this sort of reminds me of foil, you know, the gold leaf that you can buy. It won't act the same as gold leaf, but this is really nice gold paper to craft with. And so let me move this out of the way and I'll show you what I did. So when I cut out this little heart, see if I can take this off carefully. The word Lipton was there, and I thought, I don't really want that there, but I can cover it. And so I've got a little flower here. It has some double-sided puffy tape on it, and that just seemed like the perfect thing to put on my heart to cover the Lipton word. And then I have a little doily here. Oh, got two. Wait, let me get rid of one. So my little doily here is a little sort of vintagey brown. Trying to get rid of that fold there a little bit now. I think I created more of a fold. So I'm going to do a little cluster now, and I think that's going to be perfect there. I will tell you one thing I had a problem with. I thought that I could just put Mod Podge on here, put it on some white printer paper, and it would stick. It didn't. It just peeled right off. And then I thought, well, glue stick. And then I thought, nah, it probably won't work. And it didn't. I tried all different glues, but I think because it's foil, everything just kind of peeled off. So I'm probably going to use double-sided tape, since the tape worked, to attach everything to my cluster. And I'm going to put down that, and then I have this little washi sticker that I think I will put just in there like that. The word love, maybe I've inked it because that's the theme, so I thought that was perfect. I have this little sticker from my stationery kit, my kaleidoscope stationery kit, that is gonna go here. And then I had another little word, hope, and I thought I'm going to have to put it somewhere where it's not, it does have the inking around. So I think love, care, hope, they all sort of go together as a theme. And maybe I will put that going that way. And there you go. So using up some of that, get rid of that. I'm using up some of my packaging material from my Lipton's tea, cut out a heart, and created this little cluster, which now I can use either just straight in my journal or as maybe a card topper. I think it's beautiful, and thank you so much, Martha, for the prompt, because this little, I like it. I think it came out so beautifully. Thank you so much, and please go and check out Martha's channel and her hashtag. And I will see you next time. Bye.